Hello everyone, I am Anila Argauda, an electronic and communication engineering student studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I am giving presentation on renewable energy resources. We will move on to the next slide. Today I am going to explain about the topics causes of energy scarcity, solutions to energy scarcity. First of all, what do you mean by energy scarcity? Energy scarcity is any severe blockage in the delivery of energy resources to an economy. We will move on to what are some of the causes of energy scarcity. Before that, here are the some of the images showing the causes of energy scarcity. The first image represents the scarcity of water and the second image represents the scarcity of oils. Here are some of the causes of energy scarcity are overpopulation, wastage of energy, excessive consumption, natural disasters, and uneven distributions of energy sources. First, we will discuss about the overpopulation. In reality, experts believe many people on our planet are frightening but also problematic, even though we don't have the food and fuel to meet all our needs. And regardless to the type of products, it is manufactured with the raw resources that deplete our energy resources. As the population increases, we would require 50% of more energy to maintain mankind by 2050. When more people comes, the demand for more food, water and shelter, putting pressure on our natural resources also will be more. Next, we will move on to the another scarcity, that is the waste of energy. Due to increase in the population, the energy consumption is also more. As the energy consumption increases, the wastage of energy will be more. It creates a scarcity of energy sources. People refuse to acknowledge the significance of energy consumption and they dismiss it, believing that their contribution is insignificant and they are mistaken. And this is one of the major causes of the energy scarcity. Next, it is the excessive consumption. The excessive consumption of fossil fuels that are referred as oil, gas, coal puts pressure on our water, oxygen supplies, resulting in pollutions. It has been established that the energy scarcity results from widespread overconsumption. Excessive utilization of oil fuels such as coal, oil, gas, and other non renewable sources such as uranium. According to some research, oil will be the first power source without which we cannot function. So here oil will be the first fossil fuel to run out at present rate of usage according to the present calculations. So the next scarcity of renewable energy resources is natural disasters and major accidents. The natural disasters referred to as floods, droughts, cyclones, volcanic eruptions, and earthquakes will also cause the scarcity in the energy resources. And the major accidents uh, the major accidents will refer to as the war between the countries here, and there will be a large imbalance between the supply and demand for energy as the potential to boost the price of vital commodities. When discussing the first problem, we refer to the earthquakes, volcano eruption, tornadoes, floods, tsunamis, pandemics, and similar disasters. And the last causes of renewable energy resource is uneven distribution of energy sources. The renewable energy sources referred coal, oil, gas, and nuclear energy sources. So this should be equally distributed among the countries. Example, like the example for uneven distribution of energy sources is crude oil reserve in Middle East. So the uneven distribution of renewable energy resources such as geothermal, tidal sources are rarely available at specific places. To overcome this, causes of the renewable energy resources, there are some solution of energy scarcity, and we will be discussed in the next slide. So these are the some of the solutions to energy scarcity. The first solution is keep pollution free energy systems. So pollution free energy system means introducing the catalytic converters in all vehicles and more usage of CNG vehicles to reduce the pollution. And the next one is developing the renewable energy resources. So the energy resources referred as coal, oil, etc. So this should be developed, and the minimizing the population growth. Here the population growth should be reduced so that the scarcity of the energy will also be reduced. So development of the energy conversion techniques. The energy conversion is defined as the transformation of energy from forms supplied from nature to forms that can be utilized by humans. So the energy conversion techniques involves conversion from kinetic energy to mechanical energy and from mechanical energy to kinetic energy. So then energy efficiency and conservations. The efficiency and energy conservations are related and often complementary or overlapping ways to avoid or reduce energy to the technical performance of energy and to reduce the energy consumptions. And the last solution to energy scarcity is lighting controls. There are number of few technologies out there that make lighting controls that much more interesting, and they help to save a lot of energy. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, share and like.